want my chance to win.
Let me on the stage. I'm ready to go. Let me get to the people.
He is the bow-tie comedian.
You had me laughing, crying as well.
Very, very fun.
Mike Goodwin.
Mike Goodwin.
Tell us about you, Mike.
I'm a former vet, Army vet, but now I'm trying to do stand-up comedy.
Once I started doing comedy, I realized, this is purpose. This is what I'm supposed to be doing. There was a void that was filled.
So the white people. So white people, now that I have y'all all here together, let me share this.
A little dumb song that I used to sing when I was a kid. Now I found myself singing to my son every time it rained. It's raining, it's pouring. Old man snoring. He went to bed, he bumped his head. Couldn't get up in the morning. Why am I singing homicide hymns to my son? I started doing comedy with two other guys. I was the funniest in the car on the way to the show.
Right.
I was murdering in the car. Like, it wasn't even close. I had good material, but I was terrible on stage. And I remember asking God, God, I enjoy doing this. I want to do this, but something like, what's not connected? He was like, you're not talking to the people. You're up there for Mike Goodwin. The shift became, I need to bless these people, and I need to have a good time doing it.
There's a statement that we often say that iron sharpens iron. And I agree with that. But what we don't talk about enough is the fact that when iron hits, there's sparks. There's conflict, there's problems.
To the day, my wife will text me before I go on stage. She'll say, have fun and bless the people.
So when I stand in front of you, I'm not just looking to be entertaining. I want you to be healed, and I want to allow you to be released.
I make everybody laugh. You can't put me in a scenario where I'm not funny. I try to write my jokes where 100% of the room will laugh. I don't care what political side of the stand you're on. I want it to be so funny that the humor overruns your belief. I'm more like a chef than anything. I'm prepared this meal, and I want you to enjoy it. There's something cathartic, there's something healing, there's something therapeutic about just being able to put your guard down and laugh. Come for some laughs and the entertainment.